how to log out from an existing Gmail account on your iPhone 8 Plus. In this quick Gmail tutorial, I'll show you how to sign out and remove a Google account from the Gmail app. First, open the Gmail app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Now, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see all the Google accounts currently added to your Gmail app. Next, tap Manage Accounts on this device. From this page, you'll see the accounts connected to your Gmail app. To remove an account, simply tap Remove from this device next to the Gmail account you want to sign out from. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Remove to confirm. Keep in mind that this will only remove the Gmail account from your iPhone 8 Plus. It will not delete your Google account permanently, and you can sign in again anytime. Once completed, the Gmail account will no longer appear in the Gmail app on your iPhone. And that's how you can log out or remove an existing Gmail account from your iPhone 8 Plus. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more iPhone 8 Plus tutorials. Thanks for watching.